Hey, you want to get paid online? Well, it's Cruz, and in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 websites to get paid online worldwide. So stay tuned. Alright, so are you ready for the 5 websites to get paid online worldwide? Well, before I continue, if you are into entrepreneurship, making money online, affiliate marketing, or anything that you can think of to create success online, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell notification. That way you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. And as you can see on my screen right now, I have pretty much I have so many videos on here that you can kind of like explore around, and they all have to do with making money online and lead generation, affiliate marketing, things that actually will create success and put more money into your pocket. So let's go ahead and share this website with you, because what I'm sharing with you right now is pretty much websites that I did some research on, and they're considered the best of the best for you to start getting paid. All right, so the first website I'm gonna share with you is a website called Instant GC, and that stands for Instacards. So basically, this website pays you for for things that you already do online, right? So for example, right here we got you can complete surveys. People do that online. You can get paid for watching videos. You can get paid for shopping online, or you can get paid for simply searching the web. So all you do is create an account right here, and I'm gonna log in a bit to show you the inside as I created an account for myself. Basically, this is how it works. So you once you complete this task right here daily, you earn points, and guess what, you can redeem those points for money. So you can actually redeem those points, turn in, you can cash it out, you can PayPal it. They got different options. You can even do direct deposit. So let me go ahead and log in very quick so you can see. Okay, I'm just logging in very quick. So once you log in, you basically get access to this screen right here, and you immediately get 10 points just for joining, right? Just for joining. And I'll leave the links on the bottom so you can get access to this website. But basically, you can go in here and you can participate with any of these providers, and basically they'll you're gonna start earning points, right? So these points can be redeemed. You can go here where it says redeem, and then where you see other rewards, you can see you can redeem them for Bitcoin. You can make a direct deposit. You can PayPal it, or you can pretty much order a prepaid card, and then the money can be deposited on there. So all you gotta do is simply create an account. So I'm gonna log out very quick so I can show you. So I'm logging out. Going to the main screen very quick. So yeah, just pretty much create a username on there, password, and an email, and then you sign up, and then you get free 10 free points just for signing up. And then just start doing this task right here, and you're gonna start accumulating points, so that way you earn money, right? So you can redeem those points for money. So pretty cool. Okay, so that's the first website. That's instantgc.com, and they've been around for a while too. So really like this company. Another company I'm gonna share with you is called SuperPay. Right, that's website number 2 is SuperPay. So you just simply make money with doing surveys. So I like them because they pay 24 hours. Within 24 hours you get paid. They got the low cash out threshold. You can do it from home. They have some contests, some cool contests to win more cash. You get free pay surveys and offers, so it's pretty cool. So just take surveys, and as you can see here, they already paid their members over $3 million. So it's pretty cool. So as they have a special right now, so you join, you get a join bonus of 20 cents, right? I know it's not like big, but trust me, that the money that you make in there for doing service, it adds up a lot, a lot quicker than you think. So you can join for free, right? You just join for free and start taking surveys. You can always go here on how it works. I'm just gonna click on it very quick, so kind of like show you around. So yeah, you join for free. You take part in surveys and offers that they offer you, and then you simply get paid. So you can get paid through Amazon, you can get paid in Bitcoin, you can get paid Tango Card or Skrill or PayPal. So that's within 24 hours you get paid. You can do it from home. You know, you can access the offers that they have, and again, it's free. So that's a cool website. So again, superpayme.com. I left the link below so you can get to that too. And that's website number 2. Now, website number 3 is going to be a website called Clickworker, right? Clickworker. So pretty much this is they're paying you for your talent. So you can if you're talented at something. So for example, some people like you know, to correct things. Maybe you're good at grammar, or you know, there's some apps that you can use like Grammarly.com, and you can correct, you know, grammatic errors, and they'll pay you for that. So let's see how it works here. So you can sign up as a click worker free of charge, right? It's free, and you work independently. So you actually you make your own hours. It's like being your own boss, right? You make your own hours, and it's really flexible. And all you need is a computer and or a mobile device and an internet connection, of course, so that you can do this worldwide, wherever there's an internet connection. And then you decide when and how much you want to work. So basically, this is like a freelance. So how they pay you is pretty much, you know, you create or correct text. You can participate in surveys. So the same thing as a super pay. And then the other one, instant gift cards. So my last 2 websites is pretty much similar things, except that this one has more into it. And if we scroll here, they have an app, so you can do it, you know, from your phone. And basically, again, you can do jobs such as text creation. So you can create informative text, product descriptions, or articles about a given topic. So if you already are on the internet writing and stuff, you can actually get paid by, you know, Clickworker can pay you for doing that. You can do categorization. So you can categorize the data of websites, you know, etc. So I guess they're organizing the data. You can copy editing. So you can edit, you know, copy, you know, you can check corrected text with regard to content, style, and the exact implementation of the job instructions. So pretty cool stuff. You can do proofreading as well. So you can actually, you know, read through something and make sure you correct the grammar. Again, Grammarly.com is a good website you can just copy and paste the text in there. And what it will do, it would actually scan for grammar errors. So you can use that app or that website and then just pretty much copy and paste it back. So pretty cool thing, pretty cool stuff there. They actually will pay you for doing research, so you can search for data and addresses of companies, restaurants, and other localities in the web. So they got several things that you can do in there, and they'll pay you for. They can pay you for audio recordings. So whether at home or on the go. You can record short audio clips on your smartphone, and then you can do video recordings. So you can show them your skills by making short videos. Grab your cell phone and get filming. Right? Simple stuff. A lot of people do that already, like on TikTok or on YouTube. So why not get paid for that, right? So it's easy to start. With assessment. You get weekly or monthly payment via SEPA or PayPal, so they pay you pretty well in here for your talents. So again, clickworker.com, check it out. Link below in the description as well. So that was my third website. Now, website number 4 is going to be a website that actually the company that pays you for your opinion. So this is paid surveys, so you earn money online, working from home, and you can get paid greater than $5 for each survey. This is worldwide, but they got limited, countries on here. So you want to go here where it says choose your country and make sure that your country is listed. So I'm gonna choose North America. I'm in the USA. So basically you get paid, again, it's greater than $5. Whatever that converts to the country that you at, you're gonna get paid that that same amount. So the US is $5, greater than $5 for each survey. So $5 if individually doesn't seem a lot, but imagine if you did 100 surveys a day, that's $500 right there, right? or let's say you did 50, right? You did 50 service a day. That's that's some cash right there too. So just think about it. So if some, it's a good company to go to because they'll pay you just for taking service. So this is all you got to do. Just register. You're gonna answer. You will be invited via email to do surveys and then just get paid, right? So register. You start the registration here. It takes only like 30 seconds to get started. Then they'll send you emails. On some service you're gonna get, and then you get paid. So when you have reached the threshold for payment, you can get paid with one click. That's cool. So earn money now. Just scroll down and go ahead and get registered for that. So that's metroopinion.com, and link below in the description as well. So that's website number 4. So website number 5 is actually a website or a company that pays you for writing. So if you're a good writer, you like writing, you typing things, you can get paid. And as you can see here on the side, you can get paid anything between $20 to $65 an hour. And people are already signing up for this because they love writing. Like, there's people writing all the time on the internet, writing articles, writing blog posts. So why not get paid for it? So this company is hiring right now. They'll give you the training, no experiences necessary whatsoever. They have live support, video training courses, and more. It's actually a freelance writer. You can earn anywhere from $20, as I said, to $65 an hour, based on skill level, of course. But again, they'll train you. So if you're just like a beginner now, you get better and better as you go through the training. Location is remote or freelance. So you can do it from your own home. You can do part-time or full-time. So they're very flexible. You can do, they also have contract positions available. Types of writing that they will like is general content, blogs, articles, copywriting, social media posts. So, if you like posting on social media, why not get paid for that, right? You can set your own hours and work from anywhere. All right. So all the requirements they need is for you to just be 18 years or older. You need a reliable internet connection. You need excellent customer service, and you need to be willing to do great work for great pay. All right. So again, the pay is for this type of job is freelance writers. It's actually earning between $20 to $65 an hour. And the pay varies depending on skill, right? So the more you do it, the better you get. And if you're already there, good for you, right? You can get paid. So they provide the training you need to become one of the top earning writers on the web. So isn't that cool? All right. So write better, earn more. Okay. So make sure you check that out. That's writerswork.com. And again, I left the link below, and just simply check that out. Oh, another thing I want to show you is a bonus, right? So some of these websites, they actually pay you also for referring people. So let's say you don't want to do service yourself, but you want to refer other people. I'm going to log in very quick. So you want to refer other people to the website. You can actually earn a lot of money doing that too. So this is how it works. So every time you promote something, let's say I got just a referral link here, you earn points on that. So as you can see here, this is a referral. So this referral, you get 10 points, right? You get 10 points every time somebody refers. So imagine referring thousands of people onto, to your referral link, and you receive, 10 points for each of those referrals. Imagine how many points you can get, and then you can redeem that. So 10 points, that equals 10 cents. So imagine getting thousands of people going to your referral, and just see how this can add up to possibly being, that extra 10K per month, or extra, 2,000, whatever it is that you're looking for. Imagine doing that. Now, this will be done because you're gonna be promoting a link on the internet. So if you want to know how you can get thousands of people to a website or to a link, I'm gonna show you. This is a bonus right here, so pay close attention and keep watching till the end, because you're gonna love this. This company right here has a training, and it's called 15-second free leads. So with 15-second free leads, you're gonna learn exactly how to get thousands of people into an offer, and start getting them to take action. So you can actually take this referral link right here, right? And you can actually get in front of thousands of people by learning how to drag, get visitors to, to look at those offers, because there's other people out there looking for, for ways to make money. So why not refer them? And this training right here, it's only gonna cost you just $1 for you to get started with that training. Like $1, just imagine this: you're paying $1 for this training to learn how to get like, 80,000, how many people you want, to watch, an offer. So $1 to possibly making, $1,000 is really a no-brainer, right? For the amount of training you're gonna get in here. So you can get 852,661 free video views in the next 28 days. And you don't even have to show the face. It's like 15-second videos that you can make with a known platform that is actually killing it right now. It's called TikTok. I'm pretty sure you heard of that. TikTok, that even if you take this training, like a kid can do it, right? So I'm pretty sure you can do it too. So this is optional. You don't have to, but if you want to really accelerate your money making abilities, then you can take a referral. Any of these websites that have a referral, some type of referral program, you can actually use this training right here to get a lot of people to look at that program or that that website, because other people are also looking to make money. So hope that makes sense. All right, so that's a bonus. Check it out. Again, I left all the links below. Again, this is a 50-second free leads, and if you already have something like a website, maybe you're part of a company or a program that you're also getting paid, or you're about to start, use this same training. This company is going to train you to really help you get free leads, people that are interested in what you're offering. Okay, so again, that's optional. You don't have to do it, but I thought I'd share that with you as a bonus, because you can actually go out there and refer people to this. You can actually share this links on like social media, on like Facebook groups. You can do it on YouTube as well. Just make a quick video. Again, you don't have to show your face if you don't want to, but if you do exactly what this training tells you, it's just got to give that disclaimer. It's gonna work. It won't work unless you actually do exactly what they tell you to do, which is simple stuff that a kid can do, right? You see a lot of kids on TikTok as well. So basically, this is gonna help you out, because a lot of people are getting results using the method that people are learning from this. Okay. Other than that, I just want to thank you for tuning in. Again, this is the 15-second free leads, and those were actually my 5 best websites to get paid online worldwide. So take it to heart. Go ahead and check them out, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you got value from this, please let me know in the comments that you got value from it, and I'll really appreciate that. Also, make sure you hit like on this video, because it helps it, and it helps it to get it to other people that can benefit from this. If you see somebody that wants to make money online, just share this video with them. Share with somebody that you see that will benefit from, and they'll appreciate it too, right? So thank you for tuning in. I'll see you next time.